Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I do have in front of me an NGC submission. Yes, it's not in the normal box. That's because this was submitted by Jeff at Strictly Beautiful Coins on Instagram. He had a bunch of them. He has a discount for the bulk submissions, so I sent these to him, and then he submitted them for me, and these are the results. So Jeff, if you are watching, again, thank you very much for sending them in. Let's go ahead and open it up. I feel like half of my videos are me fighting with the package paper. Alright, there we go. So we're going to go ahead and start with this one here. He kind of decided not to submit this one. He felt that it was cleaned. I liked the toning on it, and yeah, it is what it is. But 1921, I'm not too mad that he didn't submit it. Alright, moving on. Alright. Now, I do not actually remember the dates or mint marks that I submitted. That I gave these to him back in September. Then he took some time to actually build up the bulk submission before he submitted it. It is an O mint mark. So let's see what it is. I'll cover the grade on it. There's some peripheral toning on it. Alright, so 1883 O. Let's see what NGC said. MS63. Okay, not too bad. Most of the coins that I submitted to him, I thought were MS63 and below. I think only one of them, I think, was like a 62, so not too bad. Nice toning on it. Okay, I do remember this one, 1884 O. Real nice toning on this one. I actually got this coin at the Tampa Coin Show, Coinocopia. Oh, geez, back before COVID was a thing, so. Yeah, definitely some nice color on that. Alright, cover again. Obverse wasn't as pretty. So actually I think I said 62 on this one. Let's see what NGC said. Oh, no, they gave it a 63. Very nice. Alright. And looks like a Philly mint. Let's see. Decent reverse on this one. A little bit of rim toning. The blueberry tone one. Okay. 1888. Very nice. This one I actually did crack out of an ICG MS63. So I'm going to say this one was the 62 that I thought. So let's see. Yep, I was correct. All right. I'll take it. Still beautiful toning. Wish that light wasn't so harsh. There we go. That's nice. All right. Which means the last one is the 1881S. And this one's going to be a laser because the reverse is actually a proof leg. So it's like a weird brown and green reverse with some reds mixed in. It's actually pretty decent. Here, I'm going to see if I can turn on the light. Oh, that kind of helped a little bit. And this one actually came from a ICG MS64 Plus. So let's see what NGC had to say. Look at that obverse real quick. Some nice little toning up there too. Definitely has good details. Bunch of bag marks, some chatter. Let's see what they said. Oh, 64. Nice. I actually like it. Very cool. Well, again, Jeff, thank you so much for submitting these coins for me. And guys, go ahead and go over to Strictly Beautiful Coins on Instagram. Check out his coins there. And have a great day.